this is Junko. Welcome to home in Southern California and thank you for watching. Today I'm making Chirashi Zushi and this is yet another form of sushi, and chirashi means scattered. So what you're gonna do is on a big bowl of rice, you scatter the ingredients, sushi ingredients on top. And this is something we eat on a special occasion, on a celebration or the big party. And we just celebrated Girls' Day on March 3rd in Japan. And this is a food that it's always associated with the Girls' Day. But you can make it at any time, and it's a really simple dish to make, and it makes a great party dish. So I hope you give it a try and join me in the kitchen. First I'm making toppings, and one of them is egg. You want to use a non-stick pan and oil it and spread it out. And I am adding about a half of a beaten egg. Traditionally, this is add to this chirashi, and you don't have to have it, but I like to have it because it just adds a nice yellow color to it. Once it's cooked, carefully take it out of the pan, fold it into 3, and you want to cut into long strips. Next, I'm going to slice shiso. Shiso may not be easy to find, depends on where you live. If that's the case, you can use basil. Just roll it and slice it thinly. Next, I'm slicing red cabbage. I like to use red cabbage because it just adds a beautiful red color to it. And quickly pickle with 1 tablespoon of sushi vinegar. Next, I am blanching okra. Get a boiling water, add a little bit of salt, and quickly cook okra and take it out of the water and cut it into small pieces like so. And again, make a quick pickle with 1 tablespoon of sushi vinegar. Now I'm moving on to slicing fish. To slice fish, you want to make with 1 or 2 big moves of your knife. What you don't want to do is to move your knife back and forth. Traditional chirashi comes with thinly sliced fish, but today I'm cubing it to make a different look. Once cubed, pour soy sauce or ponzu, which is a citrus soy sauce, and then refrigerate it. Now I'm moving on to tuna. In the same manner, you slice your fish with 1 big move and then cube it. Now I'm slicing yellowtail, hamachi, and you do want to use at least 2 to 3 different kinds of fish for chirashi. Add soy sauce or ponzu and refrigerate it until you need it. Now for sushi rice, cook rice with less water than you normally would. And if your rice cooker has a sushi setting, please use that setting. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sushi vinegar to about 4 cups of cooked short grain rice. Ideally, you want to use an unfinished wooden bowl like this, but if you don't have one, then use a regular porcelain plate. The reason why we use those wooden bowls to mix sushi rice is to absorb excess moisture and water from the rice. If you're using a regular porcelain plate, make sure to add vinegar gradually so that the rice won't get too soggy. Now it's time to assemble. Today I'm using a box with a top like this, but you can use any type of plates.